Hello, my dear children. Good morning. Welcome back to today's online class. I am Radhika, your economics teacher. Children, we were studying Economics Chapter 4, Globalization and the Indian Economy. Today's your topic is interlinking production across countries. In the last section, we discussed about MNCs, that is multinational corporations. What is MNC? A MNC is a company that owns or controls production in more than one nation. Then, today, let's see the interlinking production across countries. Before that, we can study what is investment. The money that is spent to buy assets such as land, building, machines and other equipments is called investment. Investment means the money which we spend for buying certain assets. Asset means what? What all other things? That is land, building, machines, etc. For buying this asset, which money we are spending, that money is called investment. The money that is spent to buy assets such as land, building, machines and other equipments is called investment. Investment made by MNCs is called what? Foreign investment. What is foreign investment? The investment made by MNCs. What is MNC? MNC is a company that owns or controls production in more than one country. Okay, children. The investment made by MNCs is called what? Foreign investment. What is investment? The money that is spent to buy assets is called investment. If that investment is made by MNCs, then it is called what? Foreign investment. You know why the MNCs are making investment for buying these assets, that means land, building, etc. Because they know through that way they can earn profits. Any investment is made with the hope that this asset will earn profit. That is why they are investing. The investment made by MNCs are called a foreign investment. Clear, children? Okay. MNCs control their production in other countries. Let's see how the MNCs control their production in other countries. First one, they buy up local companies and then expand production. This is one of the method they are using. Okay, MNCs are buying local companies. That means the company is from the America. They buying the local companies of India and they expanding their production. This is the one of the method they using for what? Increasing their control over productions across the countries. Okay, children, first one, they buy up local companies and then expand the production. Then second, they place orders for production with a small producer of other countries. That means they giving order to the small producer. They giving order to the small producers for producing product. That means they are coming to one example I am saying, they are coming to India and they are moving to the village area and they are searching and they are finding out the place where where they are getting a cheap labor. That means the people are ready to do the work at any wage. Okay, in that type of location they will find out and they will give order to produce some products. For example, making bat, cricket bat, football, then like small things. But that international market needed products. Okay, and they will give order to those people for producing that product. And that small producers will make that product. After making that product, they will sell it to the MNC. You know what the MNCs are doing? They in that product they giving the brand name, their brand name. Okay, their company's name they will give and they sell in the international market. And these are the branded products. You know, that product we made in our local area, that is in the village areas. Okay, if we are going and if we are going to shop and the seller are saying, okay, this is made in the village area people. That means the poor people made this product. Then we are ready to buy that product? No. First we will look the brand name. If it is a very famous brand, then they are ready to give what they are asking. Is it children? That means we spending lot of money for buying that product. We just looking only the brand names. But actually that produced in our local areas. This is the second method. This is another method MNCs using for control their production in other countries. First one, they buy up local companies. Then second, they give orders for production with a small producers. Then they set up production jointly with some of the local companies. This is the common route the MNCs are using. This is the common way. Okay. They set up production jointly with. Jointly with means, in our country, there is a one company. Already that is a very reputed company and a very famous company and the people are buying. Most of the people are trying to buy that company's product. The MNCs will come and join with that company and they try to sell the MNC's product through this company. Clear children? First we said they buying that local companies. That means the full control in the hands of MNCs. Now I said they join with the local companies. They are not buying. That means as a partnership. Okay, they join with local companies and try to expand their production. Clear children? This is another method the MNCs using control their production in other countries. This is the common way they are used. Okay, then they closely compete with the local companies. Otherwise, they will come and compete with the local companies. They are coming to India and they are coming to India means which product we are producing. Indians producing the same product they will also produce. Okay, they closely compete with the local companies. Then, many of the top MNCs have enormous wealth. MNC means they are a wealthy companies. In their hand there is a lot of money. So these large MNCs have tremendous power to determine price, quality, delivery and labor conditions for the distant producer. They will decide the price, quality, everything. Because why children? Because they are wealthy people. In their hand there is a lot of money and we are ready to follow what they are saying. That means they are giving order and we all are obeying. In that way MNCs are working. These are the method the MNCs are using. First one, they buy up local companies. Then second, they place order for production with a small producers. Then third, they set up production jointly with some of the local companies. Then last, they closely compete with the local companies. Compete with the local companies means they are not buying, they are not joining, nothing they are doing. They are producing their product and the same product which we are producing and they are trying to sell the same product in our market. Clear children? Okay, these are the method. First, buying up local companies. Second, giving place order for production with a small producers. Third, set up production jointly. And the last, they closely compete with the local companies. Clear children? Okay, role of MNCs in the economic development. Okay children, not only the economic development, the role of MNC in, first we said, they, the MNCs set up what? Next, role of MNCs in the economic development. Let's see the role of MNCs. Okay. MNCs can provide money for additional investment like buying new machines for faster production. Already we said in their hand there is a lot of money and they are coming from abroad. In their hand there is a new technology. Clear? MNC can provide money for additional investment like buying new machines which help for the faster production. That means we can produce more product with a limited time. Clear? This is one of the important role played by MNCs. Then second, MNCs might bring with them the latest technology for production, and they using a they help to buy a latest technology also. They help to earn greater profit because our production is very fast and we are using latest technology. That is why through that way we can make a greater profit. We can earn greater profits also. They provide a large marketing networks in the various part of the world. That means the first time we are selling our product in our local markets only. If the MNCs also coming and join with us means we can sell our product in the other part of the world also. Clear? They are helpful in increasing brand names of the local companies. Understand, children? Our companies' names also come in the world. Okay. These are the roles played by whom the MNCs. Okay, first one, they providing money to buy new machines which help to the faster production. Then second, MNCs might bring with them the latest technology. Then they help to earn more profit and they provide a large marketing networks. They giving lot of opportunities for selling our product in the world market, the various part of the world. Not only this, they also helpful in increasing brand names of the local companies. Clear, children? These are the roles of MNCs in the economic development. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.